it is a unary operator. What is unary operator means? It will accepts, it requires only one input. Okay, so why one input means? So that is the actual game. So increment operator means the name it's saying it is going to add something. So by the name we can say increment and decrement, right? So by the name only we can say it is going to increment something which is a plus. Decrement means which is something a minus. So it is like a plus plus, it is like a minus minus. So unary operator, right? Go with the a. Let us consider a variable a. Okay, you can write values in the both the side. Here you can write, or you can place the value over here, or you can place the value before the a, right? Same way, you can place the value over here, you can write after the a, you can write the before the a. So what this thing means? It is nothing but a equals to a plus 1. This is the meaning for this. Okay, now what this means? This is like a minus 1. So these are the syntax. This is a syntax, remember. So this is are in the two different ways, right? So there is a separate purpose for this. This is like a post increment. This is like a pre increment. Post increment a value. Okay. Here in the bracket I am using the value like I am using post increment of a like this a plus plus after the post increment. So why I am doing this, you will get the clear idea when you see when I run the program. Okay. Now here there is a one error, like okay, here we need to remove one bracket, right? When I run the program, here before post increment the value a is 5, right? Post increment, see here already we have discussed like a plus plus plus. Here you need to perform a equals to a plus 1, right? Since by here it is giving 5 means, so it will maintain the same value, like this will post increment maintain same value, like what the previous value of a is there, same value will be maintained. Immediately after maintaining, the next line will be update, right? See, after post increment a value is 6. Here post means maintain same value in same line, like during the value, right? In this line, see here in this line maintain same value, then later update it. Okay, pre means update the value in same line. So during this only it is going to update. See, when I am changing to the pre, so this is the purpose they have declared the post and pre. Here also I am changing to pre. Here pre means you need to give the operators in front of the variable, right? So here I am doing it to the pre. So in the same line it is going to update. Post means the next line it is going to update, right? When I run the program, here clearly you can see before pre increment a is 5, pre increment like in the same line it is going to update. After this line also it is maintaining the update value only. So this is the difference between the post and pre. Similarly you can try for the decrement operator. So now just instead of this, let us do the decrement operation, like pre-decrement operation. Let us do first. Let us see the post. Here decrement, right? Okay. Here pre-decrement means in the same line it is going to update, like in the same line it is going to change. Now what is the value? Guess once, like 5 4 4, right? Now when I run the program, you can see 5 4 4 we need to get, like before pre-decrement it is a 5. Okay, during the pre-decrement in the same line only. The value is going to change. It is like a 4. After the decrement, the same value is going to store, right? So a value will be the 4 only. Now let's go for the post. Post. Here also let's go for the post. Here also I am changing post decrement. Post decrement means after the variable we need to give the operator. So when I run, guess the ones like 5, 4 or like 5, 5, 4, right? Okay, this is all about the increment and decrement operators in Java. So let us do by a single line. Now guess the output ones. Okay. Here I am doing the a operation like this. Like a value, let it be. And then what will be the output? Since it is a post, right? Since it is a post decrement, right? So the value in the output will be the 5 only. So when I run the program, same thing, the value will be the 5 only, right? So in the same line, it will maintain the same value in the same line. Then it will update into the next line. Like updation will be done in next line, right? So if it will be 2 means here only it is going to update. In the same line it is going to update. So when I run, the output will be the 4 obviously. Okay. I think you got the idea. Okay. I am changing these values, right? I am doing the operation outside of the printing statement. Here I am doing. So here I am doing the post increment. Now guess the output. See, it here. This will maintain the value as 5. Once again, at the line 7, in the same line, it will maintain the same value. Maintain same value in same line, then update in next. So it will maintain the A as 5 in the line 7 only. Then in the next line, the updation will done, right? In the line 8, it will be the obviously 6. So output will be the 6. Okay. Now if I change it to 3, then updation done in the 7th line only. Now when I run this, A equals to 4. So this is all about this thing. I will give you one assignment question. Do it and put in the comment box. So I think you got the idea about the increment and decrement operators and the program regarding this, and the post type pre about this. I think very much clear to you. If you learned anything in the video, please do a like and subscribe.